My dear students, good morning. Today I am giving an explanation regarding the first semester exam. Okay, which is begin from 15th November 2021 and which is a type of MCQ. Already this year a new pattern, that is MCQ, that is multiple choice questions for all subjects. So I am giving a explanation for only maths. Okay, and topic is matrix. matrices, matrix. Now what do you mean by matrix? Matrix means there are two important factors for matrix. First one is row and second one is column. Row means that is a horizontal lines and a vertical line, that is known as column. For example, 1 2 3 0, it means there are row 1, this is, and this is row 2, this is column 1, this is column 2. So we can write 2 into 2, that is a square matrix. Okay, a square matrix means in case of row and column that is equal to each other, means number of row is equal to number of column, that means it is known as square matrix. Okay, now what do you mean by column matrix? A matrix having only one column, a matrix having only one column, like this 1 2 3, but in that condition there is 3 row, row 1, row 2, row 3, but column is single, only one column, so it is known as column matrix. Okay, column matrix. So question based on MCQ, write the example for column matrix, then you can write like this. This is a column matrix and the order of this is 3 into 1. First of all, you write a value for a row, and second, that is you can write a column. So this is a 3 into 1, that is a column matrix. Similarly, what do you mean by row matrix? A matrix having only one row, a matrix having only one row. For example, like this 2 3 0, this is row 1 only, and column is here column 2, column 3. Then the order of this matrix or level of this matrix is 1 into 3. This is a row matrix. Okay, this is a row matrix and this is a column matrix. So there is a 4 options are there. This you can recognize what one is column matrix and what is a row matrix, what is a square matrix. Next one is, what do you mean by rectangular matrix? Do you know about rectangle? In case of rectangle there is length and breadth, but there is a, in case of matrix there are row and column. So in case of row and column is different one, that means it is known as rectangular matrix, like this. Here row 1, row 2, but column 1, column 2, column 3, and order of this matrix is 2 into 3, because row is 2 and column is 3. First we can write a row and second place that is known as column, and order of this matrix that is 2 into 2. This is an example for rectangular matrix. Okay. Next, what do you mean by zero matrix? Zero matrix means all members are 0 0 0, like this. This is a zero matrix. Okay, we can write also like this. This is a 2 into 2, this is 2 into 3. These are the zero matrix. Okay, next one is identity matrix. What do you mean by identity or unit? Identity matrix or unit matrix. 1 0 0 1. This is a identity matrix or unit matrix which can be represented by a capital letter I. Okay, in which diagonal elements are only 1 and others are 0. That type of matrix is known as identity matrix or a unit matrix. Okay, identity matrix and unit matrix. Of diagonal, what do you mean by diagonal matrix? In which in place of diagonal there is a number and others are 0. In place of diagonals there is a number, either 1 2 3, and others are 0. That means it is known as diagonal matrix. Okay, so these are the basic points regarding the matrix. Now come to question number 1. Next time, what do you mean by equal matrix? If there are two matrices are given and the label or order of the matrix that is same one. For example, matrix A 0 1 2 1 and there is a B matrix -1 0 -1 2. It means the label or order of the matrix A, that is 2 into 2, and label and order of matrix B, that is also 2 into 2. It means matrix A is equal to matrix B. So we can write, if the order of the matrix that is same one, that is known as equal matrix. Okay. So first type of question that is expected or important question for the topic matrix is, find the order of the matrix. Matrix A is given as 1 0 -1 2, and you have to find the order or label of the matrix only. There is row 1, there is row 2, there is column 1, column 2. So order of matrix A, that is 2 into 2, or we can write a square matrix. 2 into 2, that is a square matrix in which row and column is equal. Okay, so this is the first type of question, that is the basic questions regarding the topic of matrix. Okay, next type question, that is based on addition. If there are two matrices are given, A and B, and there is addition, that is A plus B. For example, if A equals to 1 0 2 1 and B is equal to -1 0 2 1, then find the value of A plus B. That is based on addition. So first of all, go through the label or order of the two matrices. This is 2 into 2, this is 2 into 2. It means A and B are equal. So we can add easily. A 1 1, first row first column, means first row